Good morning. They say the bigger the ambition, the slower you need to go. The bigger the challenge, the slower you need to go. And how do you go slow? You take step 1, you break it down into 10 steps, then you take step 1.1, you break it down into 10 more steps, and you're left with step 1.0.1. And that's all you do for the next 3 days. Like legit, break your first step into 100 parts and do just the first part for the next 3 days. Because you have to go far. You have to keep, like, I don't think I can explain this, but it has a lot of weight when you really hear it in context to something that you're going through. That, oh, I want to climb Everest, which means I need to take one step right now. Like, I just need to put one foot forward right now, and eventually someday I will climb Everest, and I need to be okay with settling my own expectations that, hey, I won't climb Everest tomorrow, I'll climb it probably 3 years beyond what I thought was the max I was giving myself to climb Everest. It is about being a little more kind to ourselves and setting our expectations more fluidly. That, hey, as long as I keep taking one step ahead, it is bound to happen. I'm bound to climb Everest. That's not a question. There's no way it's not happening. But when it will happen, I will not worry about. That's also very beautiful, right? That we have sure short ways of doing things, of achieving things, of getting somewhere. And the only thing that is a deal that we have to make with the universe to do that is that we have to give up this expectation that something will happen on a certain day or something will happen in a certain time frame. How lovely is that? That means that we can actually climb Everests. All the metaphorical and literal Everests we can climb only if we keep taking one step after the other. How lovely is that? With that thought, I wish you a great day ahead. Love you. Have a good day. Bye bye.